Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, do you know what we have learned or have you forgotten? Many of you have forgotten. So let me give a quick reminder. In the last class, we have learned slanting lines, okay? And today also we will learn slanting lines. But there is a small difference. In the last class, we have learned slanting line from left to right. And in today's class, we will learn slanting lines from right to left, okay? Do you know which is the right hand? This one. And which is the left hand? This one. All right, very good. Now let's start our today's class. Okay, so what do we see here? We see clouds. And what else? A hut. A hut is there, a cloud is there, and what else? It's raining. See, it's raining here. And do you know any rhyme about raining? Okay, I know. And we will sing it together. Okay, so let's sing with me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay, very good. Let's sing it one more time. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Well done, everyone. So, it's raining here and we have to join the dots, okay? We have to join the dots of raindrops, and these raindrops are in slanting lines. See, it's a slanting line, but this is a slanting line from right to left. This is a slanting line from right to left, okay? So let's join these dots. Okay, so we will go from right to left, like this, right to left. This is my right and this is the left. Right to left, okay? This is right and this is left. We will start from the right and go to the left, like this. This is slanting line from right to left. Do it one more time. Very good. Again. Yes, we have to join all these dots like this. Okay. Yes, from right to left. Right to left. This is slanting line. And in this hut also there are two slanting lines from right to left. We will join this also like this. And we have done. Now is the coloring part. So let's color the clouds. Do you know clouds are in blue in color? So we will color the clouds in blue color. Like this. You will do it very slowly and neatly, okay? Do it slowly and neatly. Like this. And we have done this cloud. Now, we will color this cloud, okay? And I will check this cloud on the next class. Now, we will color in the hut. So, I am going to color red color in the hut, okay? You can color any color of your choice. You can do any color of your choice. I am doing red color here. Like this. Very good. Now, in this part, I will do another color. I will pick green here. Like this. And here you can do any color of your choice. Very good. Slowly and neatly. So like this, you will complete the coloring on your own. And I will see you in the next class. Now in today's class, we have learned slanting line from right to left. I hope you've enjoyed the learning with me. Happy learning. Take care. Bye-bye.